everyone. We are here at the shopping center. Today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish at 2 o'clock. Yeah, we are not busy. We did 90 something. I'm going to pick up something, collect something at from the post office. Yeah, I bought something online. I'm collecting this from the post office because yeah, I don't have house, and so everything that I am buying online, it will go to my address here at the post office. It's not a PO box because this kind of service, this is free, but the PO box, yeah, you need to pay for that kind of yearly. I'm not really sure. This is a tripod. Yeah, this. I was not expecting this to be this long. Usually when I'm buying things online, yeah, I'm not reading the details. I am deciding based on how it looks and not on the details like the measurement, you know. Yeah, tripod. You know, the problem is that some company, they don't accept that address. So if that's the case, yeah, I don't buy things online. Like last time, I bought something from Anaconda. Yeah, I'm trying to put the address. The Anaconda website said it's not a valid address. So if you are living in the van, your options basically when it comes to address, yeah, you must have a friend that will let you use their address as your address. Or the other option is like what I am doing, a post office address or a PO box address. Or if you have a kind of office, yeah, you can use that as your address. Workplace, yeah, actually in my workplace it's not allowed to use the workplace as the address for delivery. Yeah, delivering things that you order online, not allowed. I am not sure if you can use the, you know, my self storage as my address. I'm not really sure. Yeah, so those are the options. And of course, if you have a family, your parents, yeah, you can ask them to use their address as your address. Yeah, those are the options. If you are living in the van or if you are homeless. I am going to the grocery. Oh, Woolworths will give me more points for my American Express, because you know the Woolworths rewards can be converted into Qantas American Express card rewards. The flybys can be converted into velocity points, yeah, with the Virgin Airlines. I cooked a rice yesterday, yeah, and so now I'm going to get something that I'm going to cook to eat with my rice. Or maybe I'll just get this microwavable meal ready to eat. Just like this one, chipotle chicken burrito bowl, $9. Or this one is schnitzel, yeah, just $8.95. Or this yeah, like this butter chicken tikka masala. Yeah, all these Woolworths products, yeah, it can be just $15 for 2 packets. I'm getting one of these vegetable mix. How much is this? $4.50. Or I get this one. This is just $9.72. But yeah, this 1 kg. But for me, this is too much. I won't be able to finish it in 1 week. Just 500 grams. But there's no price. This $9. Yeah, the price is not written here anymore. Lots of snacks that are discounted today. Yeah, just like this one. Yeah, 50% discount. Regular price is $5. Now just $2.50. Oh, this one, my favorite one. Yeah, $2.95. Regular price was $4.30. But I don't want. But I need to eat something while cooking this beef. Actually, we're going to try this. Yeah, this one. This garlic butter and herb flavored rice. Regular price is $4. Now just $3. Sparkling water. This sparkling mineral water. Yeah, home brand of Woolworths, which is $1.15. And this one, this Mount Franklin sparkling spring water, is actually $3.25. Just $1.95 at the moment. So this is spring water. This one is mineral water. Oh, this the microwavable rice that I bought. So flavored garlic and herb rice. Yeah, and it's a 2 packet. Yeah, 2 bowl. It's like that. It's hard rice. But I think just really need to microwave according to the procedure. Oh, it's up. Yeah, I also need to take the rice cooker. Because I'm going to cook it in the rice cooker, the beef and vegetable that I bought. And as usual, I'm just going to put it inside here. Well, actually, I cannot use 2 cooking machine at the same time. Okay, the microwave is done. Unplug the microwave. Okay, now this cooking. And the vegetable, I will put it later once the beef is cooked already. But for now, I'm going to eat this. Yeah, this is how it is. Yeah, I believe this kind of food has a lot of preservatives. Yeah, to keep it in the room temperature shelves. You know? So it's like a plain fried rice. Yeah, I thought it's hard, but it's actually soft. Yeah, not hard. And it's very tasty. Not strong tasty, but just good. Yeah. 2 cups of rice. Flavored rice, garlic rice, fried rice. Yeah, this is actually really good. Yeah, 2 is not enough. Yeah, but it's alright. I'm waiting for this smell. When I'm cooking, I actually needed to switch on the exhaust fan, so that it is not going to be smell like what I am cooking inside here in the bun, but it's going to be noisy. Yeah, like that. It's like this basically. It's a little dark in here. Let's switch on the light. Yeah, now it's bright. So I'll just put it here. Okay, I'm happy with this already. Yeah, look at that. Switch it off now.